cold?
No.
No? We match.
Go.
Yeah, we're gonna do makeup. Can you say hi to the camera? Hi! Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. My name is Faith and this is my daughter Summer. She loves doing makeup with me. She actually has reignited my love for makeup. As you guys know, if you've been here a while, my channel started as a makeup channel, and once I became a mom, it just was not as much of a priority, but she loves sitting in here with me, so it's basically just become something that we do together. I just realized that the camera is showing part of the door, so I'm just gonna move it. Yeah, but it's just become something that we do together. I'm really happy about it because it's fun for me too. So today we're gonna do a makeup look that I recently posted on Instagram. It's like my cool mom makeup. It has a nice winged liner, which I've actually never done winged liner with her in my lap, so we'll see how that goes. All of the products that I use today will be linked down below in the description bar in case I forget to mention it. It's gonna be a little bit difficult to do a perfect makeup tutorial with her sitting here. So without further ado, let's get right on into the makeup tutorial. So the first thing I always do is take my Paula's Choice Daily Hydrating Fluid. This is an SPF 50. So it's perfect for spring and summer when you're outside more often. Unfortunately today the weather is really not very nice, but I do like to use it this time of year. It never ever breaks me out, a lot of SPFs, because they're so thick. No, I'm not gonna let you open that. You're gonna squeeze it everywhere, but you can hold it. And it applies really nicely with foundation. So while that is still sort of wet and absorbing on my skin, I take... Nope, we're not gonna open it right now, okay? You want me to open this one? Here, this one's still sealed, so you can open this one. While that's still wet on my skin, I take some of my foundation. I've been using the Nars Sheer Glow foundation, and I use the shade Punjab Medium 1. And I literally just dot some on my face. This is so funny to me because I never ever would have applied a foundation like this when I was really into makeup, and I never ever would have applied foundation with my fingers. But when you become a mom, you just do things that are quick. So I apply the smallest amount of that and mix it in with the moisturizer, and it kind of becomes like a tinted moisturizer look. Very sheer. You could obviously apply more foundation if you wanted to. For me, I don't know. I just don't like the feeling of it anymore, and I tend to do more with my concealer in terms of coverage and things like that. I always take a makeup wipe though after that and wipe my fingers because I don't want foundation on my fingers. You have yogurt on your fingers.
No.
Yes, you do. For concealer, I use the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I'm trying to get her more into the screen, but it's difficult. I use the shade Vanilla, and I apply this all under my eyes here. Sorry, honey. And right up in here. And then I apply it on my chin and around the nose.
Mama.
Yeah, baby.
Baby.
You're my baby. Yeah. Yes. You want to hold that? And then I take... No, we're not going to open that one either because that's going to get messy. I take my beauty sponge, which I also never would have used to use this dry, but I literally just don't have time to wet it or the desire to get up and wet it when she's here. So I just use it dry and it's fine. Actually, you got your doggy?
Yeah.
Yeah. It actually gives you, it actually gives you more coverage when it's not wet because it's not gonna pick up as much product.
Mama.
So, yes, baby.
Baby.
You're my baby. Yes. Yes. No. She's in that phase where everything is no. Even things you like and want to do, you say no, don't you? Are you being goofy? So once that's all blended, I take my Mercier translucent powder and I dust. No. You can have the brushes. Here, we have the brushes. I just lightly dust that under my eyes. I do it on my lids as well, just to prevent creasing, because I do put product there. And then anywhere else I put the concealer, I do the translucent powder. Then I take my Bareminerals, what is this? Barepro Performance Wear Powder Foundation. I use the shade Golden Ivory and a big fluffy brush and just put that over the rest of my face to set in all of the tinted moisturizer and everything, so that when we apply bronzer and blush, it's not sticky. You want to put Doggy down? Here, we'll put him right here. For bronzer, I've been loving the Hoola Caramel, however you say it. I just love the warmth of this, and especially when I do a fake tan, which I don't have a fake tan on right now, but when I do, no, let's not put that brush in here. When I do, this is the perfect color because it's very like orangey toned, which sounds bad, but for me it works. I use this type of brush that's kind of like flat. This is from Bdellium Tools. It's their 966 brush. I could not live without this brush. It's just perfect for getting up under the cheekbones. So I kind of apply this as if it's a contour, which you're generally supposed to use a cool toned bronzer or contour shade, but I don't know, I really like this warm color on me. I also generously apply it on my forehead. You got 2 brushes? Can you show them? What brush do you have? Are you silly? Don't put that in there. You silly goober. You're a goober. Now, what I've been doing, which is kind of new for me, is using a liquid blush. This is from Glossier, and it's the shade Beam, and it comes out quickly. So just a teeny little squirt, and I take my finger and apply it, and it's gonna look crazy at first. It's gonna look very bright and kind of crazy, but it blends out so nice. And I kind of apply it where the sun would hit my cheeks and across the nose. I love that trend where it's like a little bit of a sunburn look. Yeah, we don't want to actually get sunburned, but yeah, that's the top. Let's put it back on. And then I take my blush brush and just dab that out. You love this brush, don't you?
No.
So yeah, that's the blush look I've been doing recently. No, move over, that's better. Sometimes I will top it with another blush if I want like a really flushed look. I love the Milani Baked Powder Blush in the shade Coralina. I am going to do just a teeny bit of that today. You can also just use this for the same effect. I just find, hold on. I just find that the liquid blush just looks so glowy. You want the brush? Oh, you're going to really dig in there. Okay, no, I don't want you to dig in there. I've been using the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Shape and Fill for years. I love it. What are you trying to get? You're trying to get the blushes, aren't you? Once we get to the eyes and brows, this is like the trickiest part with her. So, yeah, you're gonna open that and make a mess, aren't you? But I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows. I have definitely changed how I do my brows recently. I try to do them less structured. I can't do the trendy soap brows or like brow lamination look because I just don't have enough brow hairs. I'd have to go in with a brow pen and spend a lot of time on it if I wanted to do that, so I just can't. But I do attempt a little bit more of a natural look instead of very like sharp. Are you putting makeup on? I got her the cutest little fake makeup set from Amazon, and I think that that's what started her love for playing with makeup. I will find it and link it down below if you have little girls that you want to get them a cute little makeup set. It comes with a purse. It's really cute. So then I put on a brow gel, and I love the, you want to go get that brush? I love the L'Oreal Sourcils Styler. I don't know. You want to come back up? Okay. It's in the shade 2. I just love how it holds up my brows, and I love that it has a tint to it. So I brush all these up and back. Good job.
Oh no.
She's not putting actual makeup on her face, unless there's still makeup on that brush, but there. There's the brows. I mean, that's just as good as we're gonna get. Then what I do in my crease is I normally use that brush that she has, but I'll just use this one. And I take both my bronzer and my blush and just put that through the crease for a nice, oh no, let's not put that in there, honey. For a nice warmth to the eyes. Okay.
Go. Go.
Don't lean back, honey. I don't have my arm around you. I should get her own chair in here or something. You a faker. Are you a faker?
No.
She loves to fake cough now. She saw me go and now she likes to fake cough. Where did the blush go that I used? She's at that stage where she copies everything. So not that I or Nick are big swearers. Like, we don't swear really. But like even words like C-R-A-P or S-T-U-P-I-D, I just don't want her saying yet. That's it for shadow. Then I'm gonna attempt liner. I use the Kat Von D Tattoo liner. This is just one of the mini ones. I am very apprehensive about this right now. I normally put the mirror so close to do this. I'm gonna bring the mirror in because, okay, we're gonna just do it. We're gonna just do it. Oh, Summer, don't move. Okay. Don't move, okay? Okay, all right, there's our 2 lines. Then I just, oh, okay, that was good. Hold on, wait.
Mama.
Okay, all right. Phew. Now I just filled that in. Oh, that was nerve-wracking.
What a breathe.
Oh my gosh, this is so hard. I normally do not do winged liner with her. So I sort of sketch it out with that. Oh good, are you getting down? Get down for a second. No, we're not gonna watch bulldozers right now. I sketch it out with that, and then I take my Jaclyn Hill palette with an angled like liner or brow brush and just go over it. And then I bring this shadow all the way in here because that creates kind of that like fox eye look. You ready to come back up, sweets? The hardest part's over. Come here, sweetie. Are you all done? I think she's done for now. All I have left, Summer, is this eyeliner here and mascara and lips, and then we're all done. All done. Right now I'm just applying the MAC Photogravure Technical liner. I'm almost I don't think she likes that I'm talking. Yeah, I just applied that to my waterline. Okay, I'm almost done. Can you hold this? Almost done. Here, let me get you something that you can play with. I did apply false lashes for the Instagram photo that I took. I'm not going to do that today for obvious reasons, but I'm just going to apply mascara. I am using the Glossier Lash Slick. Blue, yeah. I'm using the Glossier Lash Slick, and then I top it with the Lancome Grandiose Extreme Mascara for some extra va-va-boom. And for lips, what I do is just a lip liner from NYX. I love their slim lip pencils, and I've been using the shade Natural or London. So short, I need to buy a new one. This is Nude Beige. Let's try that one. Oh yeah, that one's good too. I'm gonna definitely overdraw the top lip. I actually have a whole video on my channel about overdrawing. Okay, hold on. Yeah, I'm coming.
Okay.
Oh, this is real life, folks. Then I take my sponge and go over it just to like tone it down. That's what I do if I want to be a cool mom. Right, Sams? Can you come say goodbye? Can you come here? So that is the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below if you'd like me to do more videos like this. It wasn't super easy, but I will do it if you guys enjoyed it. Summer's done. Goodbye. Goodbye.